Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here. That was a pathetic card throw. Today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here. I legitimately don't know because there's no name on the front of it. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. Link for Patreon down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I'm going to go in point of attack from here. And I think I'm just going to rip this open because I know people hate spending time just hearing me talk without actually getting into the box. Oh, there's a few things in here. Oh, those are tightly packed. Ooh. Okay. And and this guy here. Oh, there is a note. Thank goodness for notes. Thank you. Hello, MC. Thank you for your investment of time, energy, and care into the content community you've created. Thanks, man. I love reading stuff like that. Thank you. With all the hostility and pain in our world, it is refreshing to have a positive waypoint as we navigate the storms. Hey, thank you. Seriously. Keep using your iron to sharpen others, and remember, the only difference between a stumbling block and a sharpening or stepping stone is how you use them. Well said. Oh, yes. Okay, good deal. Enclosed is that. I've enjoyed your giveaways and excitement. You brought the community after you used this knife. And reviewed it. Okay, so it says, I have enjoyed your giveaways and the excitement they've brought about the knife community. After you have used these knives for any review/testing desires, please give them away. That was super nice. Awesome. Thank you so much. That's Matt who did that. Thank you, Matt. Seriously, thumbs up to Matt down in the comments section. Matt from Michigan. He says, please just say the box is donated from Matt from Michigan. And shout out to Michigan Manufacturing, particularly the great work White River and Bark River knife companies are doing. Okay, well, there we go. It says, take care, keep faith, and enjoy every moment. Thank you. What a nice, man, that's super cool. Okay, so the first one we have here is the SPYDERCO UKPK, right? Is that what it's? I'll link all this stuff down below so you guys can check out. It says UK Pen DK Blue S110V. Yeah, and it's a slip joint, right? So is it like a UK friendly? That's kind of neat. It's got a little choil there. S110V. Yeah, I like that. That'd make a nice EDC no matter where you live, as long as the blade length is legal. Okay, awesome. Good deal. That's really, really cool. What is this one? Is this brand new? No, it slides. Right? Yeah, it slides. I'm just being dumb. There we go. Okay. White River knife and tool. I think, oh my gosh, I've had one of these on the channel a long time ago. Is it a S30V? Yeah, I remember this. This is cool. I think I did review this, but this is an awesome, definitely an awesome giveaway knife for sure. That's cool. Very ergonomic, very comfortable, right? It comes with the card and the box and everything, so thank you. And that was the White River Knives Knucklehead, an S30V. Very cool. All right, and then the final one here. What is this? Okay. Oh, quiet carry. Oh, okay. LC200N. Serrated, but LC200N. What is this one called? This is the Quiet Carry Eddie in LC200N. I think some people will be excited about that. Definitely. Knife that can't corrode. So that's pretty cool. What is this? Just an inlay there? Okay. Wire clip, nice. Interesting how they do the access to that, right? Can you, yeah, you can totally flick it out. Wow, nice haul, nice giveaway haul. I will definitely give these away. I will probably make them a part of my 60,000 subscriber giveaway. I will link the stuff that I'm able to link down below. Matt, thank you so much. This was epic, man. I appreciate that. I can't wait to talk about these guys. Short and sweet. I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Very, very cool. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.